Let us go for this.
Sir.
But tell me, Manya. Tell me, Manya. Can use this distance and displacement in the same sense, but in physics they are having some difference. So let us understand this with an example. Suppose a man lives at a particular place named as A. So now let me imagine this is the Prados or someone. So he is living in the place A. He is living in the place A, and he has to reach another place called as C. Somewhere C is here. So this is the another place. He wants to reach here. Understand? So now what will happen? You see, this is the Prados. He is living at place A and he wants to reach that place C. Place C. But first he has to meet his friend living at place B. So his friend is living at place B. Here, one more friend is living at place B. Understand? And another friend is living at, understanding? Another friend is living at place C. But you remember, he wants to actually meet friend C, this friend who is living at place C, but let it be. Anyhow, we are going to meet the friend who is living at place C, but he wants to meet a friend B also. So now, finally he wants to reach here. So, but before he wants to meet B. So what is the path he will choose? A person is living at place A, understand? He wants to reach the place C. Now, but first he has to meet his friend living at place B, so that he will start moving in this road. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First he wants to meet the friend who is living at the place B. So he will travel in this direction. So this is the way first he will reach us. He will reach the friend who is living at the B and he will meet him. So now the man starts from point A and he travels a distance of 5 kilometers. Travels a distance of, remember, travels a distance of 5 kilometers to reach a friend B, the friend who is living on the B. Can you able to understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, after meeting the friend who is living at the B, then he started moving towards the C. Understanding? Then he travels another 3 kilometers from B to C. Another 3 kilometers. Another 3 kilometers from B to C to reach the point C. To reach the point C. Now, what is the man goes along the path ABC. Is it correct or not? The man travels the path along ABC. This is the path which has traveled by him. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, if you take the man goes along the path ABC shown by this lines. Understand? This one. This is only called as, understand, actual distance traveled by the man. If you measure the length of this path ABC, the length of this path ABC, the actual path which has been chosen from A to B plus B to C, that is only called as actual distance traveled by the man. So now what is the actual distance traveled by the man? Tell me. What is the actual distance traveled by the man?
Kilometers, sir.
What is the actual distance traveled by the man? He has traveled from A to B. How many kilometers?
Sir, 8 kilometers.
Very good. He has traveled from A to B 5 kilometers, from B to C 3 kilometers. So totally, the total actual length, understanding, will give you the actual distance traveled by the man. So here the total distance traveled by the man is 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers plus 3 kilometers. Understanding? Means A to B 5 kilometers plus B to C, which will give you the total distance traveled by him, which is equals to 8 kilometers. Is it clear or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the distance traveled by a man is how much? The distance traveled by a man is how much? Distance traveled by a man.
Sir, screen is not clear.
What am I?
Screen is not clear, sir.
Okay. The distance traveled by a man is 8 kilometers from A to B. From A to B, he has traveled 5 kilometers. From B to C, again he has traveled 3 kilometers. So, if we measure the length of this path, the length of this total path, always remember the length of the total path is known as distance traveled by the body. Is it clear or not? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, let us come to this is called as distance. Now, what is displacement? What is the meaning of displacement mean? Observe very carefully. Definition I will say, like Manya, you wait. What is the meaning of displacement means? Observe, understanding. In a different way, you will discuss the same problem. Observe very carefully. When the man has reaches the point C, now we want to know how far he is now from starting point. What is the starting point from A to C? Starting point from A to C. What is the starting point from A to C? Now he is at C. Now he wants to reach A. He don't want to meet his friend B. After reaching C point, he wants to meet, again he wants to go to his home. So what is the path he will choose? He will come directly. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? Say yes or no. After reaching point C,
Sir.
now by evening.
Sir, your screen is not clear.
Okay. After reaching C point, now his work is finished. Now he plans to come to his home. So what is the path he will choose? He will definitely travel directly to the A point. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Because he already met the B. He don't want to meet the B. He will travel directly to the A. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, you tell
Yes, sir.
in between A and C, what is the shortest possible distance? In between A and C, what is the shortest possible distance? What is the shortest possible distance? This is only. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, the shortest possible distance between any 2 points is only called as displacement. What was to call? What was to call?
Displacement.
Displacement. Now, the length of a straight line, understanding, path AC, if you join, then that is equals to 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers is the displacement of the man from point A, understanding, from point A, that is on reaching C. So, the man is only 4 kilometers away from the starting point A. So, the displacement is in the which direction, Ra? Which direction displacement? This is which direction? This is which direction?
Horizontal direction.
Which direction, Ra? He is moving from A to C. Which direction this is? Directions you don't know. This is north, this is south, this is west, and this is what?
East direction, sir.
East direction. So, displacement is having in east direction. Understanding? So, always remember, distance no direction, but displacement is having direction also. That is the difference between distance and displacement also. So, distance means the actual length of the path is called as distance, and displacement means the shortest distance present between them is called as, any 2 points is called as displacement. Are you people understand or not?
Yes, sir. Definition.
Yes, sir. Yes. So always remember, distance, there is no direction, understanding, but displacement is always having a particular direction. That is why this one we used to call as some name that I will say you now. First you write the definitions. Distance. All of you write. Distance. Distance. The distance traveled by a body. The distance traveled by a body. The distance traveled by a body is the actual length, is the actual length is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body. It is the actual length. It is the actual length covered by a moving body. Covered by a moving body, irrespective of the direction. Irrespective
Sir,
of
1 minute.
yeah, the distance traveled by a body is the actual length of the path. Is the actual length of the path. Is the actual length of the path. The distance traveled by a body is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body. Covered by a moving body. Covered by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, irrespective of the direction, irrespective of the direction in which the body travels, in which the body travels, in which the body travels. Full stop. Next, displacement. Displacement. Displacement.
Sir, 1 minute wait, sir.
Okay, da. Displacement. Under displacement, you write 2 points. Please kindly write 2 points. Understanding? So always remember, displacement means the straight line present between the 2 points, because that is only the possible shortest distance. Understanding? So the shortest possible distance is only known as displacement. So always this displacement will be straight line between any 2 points. Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. When a body, 2 points under displacement. First, I should say that displacement straight line. Next one, what is the definition? Right. When a body moves from one point to another. When a body moves from one point to another, when a body moves from one point to another, when a body moves from one point to another, when a body moves from one point to another, comma, the distance traveled refers to the actual length of the indirect path, not direct, straightforward. Indirect, some rotations and all it will show. Like that you take U-turn, that is all, not straight line. Indirect path, whereas displacement refers to the what? Straight line or curved line? Straight line or some indirect path? Displacement always refers to the straight line path. Always refers to the straight line path between the initial and the final positions. Means initial position, final position. Always straight line path refers to the displacement. Remember, straight line path between the initial and the final positions. Between the initial and final positions. Now you write the definition of displacement. Definition of displacement. When a body moves from when a body moves from when a body moves from one point to another. Oh, definition correct. Sorry. One position to another. When a body moves from one position to another, one position to another, the shortest, or else bracket you can write straight line. STRAIGHT, straight line. The shortest or straight line. Shortest bracket you can write straight line. Shortest distance between the initial and the final position. Shortest distance between the initial and final position. Of the body. Along with the direction. Direction is important or not? Displacement means direction also should be. Are you understanding that? Whenever we are talking about the displacement, direction also we have to mention. That is what? Along the of the body, along with the direction. Along with direction is known as its displacement. Is known as what? Its displacement. Is it okay, da? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, let us go for example. All of you keep example and you tell me. So now, first before example, I will explain something. You tell me which is distance and which is displacement. Now, this is Pradosh, understanding, and this is Manvish, or somebody. Now, Pradosh wants to reach the Manvish town. So first I will choose this path. Next, he will rotate like this will go. Next, he will like this, he will go. Next, like this, he will go. Now, directly will go. Now, which is the shortest distance? Tell me. Everything is distance only. Everything is distance. What is the shortest distance? Here, he will come like this and he will go like this. He will go like this and he will come like this. Now, which is the shortest distance? Going what?
Straight.
Going straight.
Sir.
Going straight is only called as direction also. Here, direction is also important. This is only known as displacement. Understanding? Displacement. Remaining all called as what? Distance only. This is also we can call as distance, but this is the shortest distance. That is why it is called as displacement. That is
Sir, this diagram is how to draw.
I will say this is not. I will say just I am saying you for your understanding. Pradosh.
Okay, sir.
Done. Now see. Yeah, same example which we have studied. Understand? Now let me take. This is the Pradosh. Let me take girls now. Boys over. Now girls. This is Laksha, and Laksha is living at A point. Now here somebody is there, her friend. Let me take Alana, who is living in point C. Now she wants to meet actually Alana, but middle somewhere at point B, Samayan Manya house is there. Samayan Manya, both are there. So that she decided that first I will meet Samayan Manya, later she will go to Alana's home. So after evening she will come to like this. So she has started traveling, understanding, towards to the Samayan Manya house 5 kilometers. Dotted line. That is what I am saying. Dotted line. Later she has started 3 more kilometers towards to the Alana's home. To reaching Alana's home from B to C has traveled 3 kilometers. Now after evening, she directly returns straight line to the point A. Understanding? So now this is total distance is 4 kilometers. Now what is the distance and what is the displacement in this diagram? Tell me. What is the distance traveled? Distance travel.
12 kilometers, sir.
Hey, distance, Ra. Distance from A to C, man.
4, sir.
Distance travel, Ra. Distance travel. Distance travel from A to C. Right, from A to C, what is her initial man going?
Distance means nothing but highways lone ellali. Displacement means
8 kilometers, sir.
Distance travel is equals to 5 kilometers plus 3 kilometers, which is equals to 8 kilometers. Understanding? Now, displacement, tell me. What is the displacement?
4 kilometers, sir.
4 kilometers. And direction is what? 4 kilometers, which direction?
East direction.
Towards east. Understanding? That is also important. Write it. This is displacement. Example, Ra. All of you note it down. And this is the distance. This is example 1. Is it okay, da? Yes or no?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I will draw.
Draw. Completed? Alana? That's all. You can stop here.